What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to start a BMW 4 Series if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2018 BMW 430i in the video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying remote control, engine will not start. So what we need to do is take a look at the right-hand side of the steering column, and we see this key icon right here. What we need to do is hold the fob on that icon and then press the brake in like normal, press the stop-start button once, and we'll get another little message on the dash, and then press it again. And again, I still have the brake pressed. And that's it. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.